Alright, boneless saltfish me all about today. And these are all I'm seasoning them. Some onion and some scallion, thyme, tomato, peppers, and all of that. So let's go over to the fire now, right? So here's my pot, my people. So that's well that. See it here? So we are dealing with it today. Some nice saltfish and some white bean. I'm going to tip a little curry in it, just like how my auntie love it. Alright, this is a quick and simple recipe, this one. So then I'm going to go and saute in a pot, right? So just like that. Yeah. Now that we saltfish, now that we onion, I will stuff them saute to a mention. We're going to put it with saltfish now. And people, let me tell you something. Don't boil out the saltfish too much. As a matter of fact, I do not like when my saltfish boil out too much. Don't give me pure trash. I want to taste salt. Okay? So we're going to do it like this till everything spread. And then we're going to put in bean and some curry powder. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you everything. Now at this time, I'm going to put in some black pepper. Alright. Whole heap of meat kind. Yes. Add in with black pepper. And remember now, this is a saltfish, you know, so you don't need no salt. Once you boil them the right way, you don't need no salt. And sometimes when I cook saltfish, I like to take some of the pot water and I put them over in the saltfish pot. I don't know if you guys do that, but I do that every time I cook my saltfish. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to add the bean right now. Now this is the bean that I will be using. Small white bean. You can use butter bean or any bean of your choice. Okra, anything. Alright. See it here, people. See it there. All the two tin of bean well in my pot. I'm going to put some curry powder right now, just like how my auntie love it. Like I said, she love when we cook it with some curry powder. Alright, so see it there, just the way she like it. You see it? She just like a dash of curry powder. See it? Nice, quick and simple recipe this. Alright everyone, just like this. Saltfish, Jamaican something this. See it? Watch the curry flavor. Watch the curry look. See there? As some auntie love it and she said she want it just like this. With the curry, flavor, curry powder, everything. Everything curry, Jamaican. So she don't want it plain, she want a curry flavor. So now this is how we will be having this. Nice cook up saltfish with some white bean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. From my kitchen straight on your table. Taste all of this Jamaican goodness, my people. Yes. Yes, don't forget it.